Is your Minecraft adventure stuck before it even begins because the launcher refuses to cooperate? First, let's try the easiest fix. A simple restart. Click the Windows icon, select the power option, and hit restart. This resolves many temporary glitches. If restarting didn't do the trick, let's force quit the launcher. Press Ctrl+Shift+S to open Task Manager. Find Minecraft Launcher in the list, select it, and click End Task. Then, try reopening the launcher. Corrupted files can also cause problems. Search for apps and features in the Windows search bar and open it. Find Minecraft Launcher in the list, click on it, and select Modify. A new window will appear. Try clicking Repair first. If that doesn't work, come back to this window and click Reset. Remember, Reset will delete your launcher settings, so use it as a last resort. Outdated graphics drivers can also be the culprit. Right-click the Windows icon and select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows find the latest version. Finally, let's check compatibility settings. Right-click on the Minecraft Launcher icon on your desktop and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Try running the program in compatibility mode for an older version of Windows, like Windows 8. Also, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Hopefully, one of these steps has fixed your launcher woes. Now you can get back to building, exploring, and enjoying everything Minecraft has to offer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tricks.